Well, good morning. Off to do cut some hay. Actually, what we're doing now is some first cutting late in the year. Take a look at this Krone. So I'll get in my lane right here. You can tell it just stays right on the road. Hole's nice. Well, I'm heading down the road here just thinking, man, I wish I had that Krone with the endwise transport. I got to look back here to what we're doing. This here 10-footer, it takes up the whole lane, but I don't know if you can see it behind me or not, but yeah, I love it. I wish I had that 16-foot endwise transport that Krone has, that my dealer actually has, but I want to demo it because I know this tractor pulls it no problem, but I worry about my little 120 farmhouse. It's going to be too big for it, so we'll see. Alright, been opening up this, it's all used to be a pasture. They fenced off and started farming all that back there, so there's not much left back here. This is only really the biggest section. Go ahead, put PTO on. Ninth gear, so let's go. As you can tell, not the world's best photographer, but heading into the sun, it kind of reflects on the mower, so you can kind of get a good little shot. I am just straightening out the curve here, so if you wonder why I'm not using the whole bend, I said I went 2 rounds, maybe 3. And these turns, I haven't quite got figured out 100%. And I'm trying to video. Get back over here and straddle something. Doing a pretty good job. Like I said, this has no fertility. It only gets mowed once a year. It's all hillsides. It's free. They just bush hog it. But I said I would mow it for some hay. It's good for cattle. It's got some weeds in it. If everything was as big as this, I would probably spray it and fertilize it and try to take care of it. But this is only the biggest section I got. The rest of it's just all cut up, hillsides. It really is a pain in the butt. Like you can tell, it's just nothing special. There's a ditch that runs through there, so I just take her nice and easy. Just going 5 miles an hour. It may look flat to you, but it's not. Yeah, I get it all. Yeah, not bad. It'd sure be nice to have a front mower on this thing. Not that I want to be making a video because I just bragged on this thing, but I hit something left in the field mowing the crap sections. That's what you get. That's why it's free. But anyway, it's busted out here. As you can see, that is your pin right there. That breaks. Jeez. And go backwards. All right. I got, here's the busted shear pin. Goes right in there, if you can see that or not. I got the roll pin out. You just take this punch, and what you have to do is take your wrench here, or you can take a hammer and tap it, reverse threads on that, and thread that back down so you get your hole pretty much lined up. And take the punch and drive it out. New 2 roll pins, one on that side, one on that side. They're in. As you can tell, I turn that one, it turns that one. We're locked in. So what we're doing now here, got the punch, we got this loose, the bolts out. You just take the broken piece out and then hammer it on out. It's coming. So we got a piece in our way. Try to fish it out. Alright, so as you can see, I don't know if you can tell, but it's coming. I had to tighten that down to seat that top down a little bit because the roll pin was hitting it. Just like that, knock out your pin. Alright, I got there's 2 roll pins on each side. I got that side in. This is still loose. And I'm trying to get this one here in. So sometimes you got to be able to tap it down to get it centered in the hole. Tap it in until it's flush. And what happened here, for some reason that drove out that one, we'll just tap it back in. Okay, maybe not. We're gonna put these little bolts back in top this retaining clip. That's it. Tighten it down with the gun. Just like that. Alright, so you gotta slide this back on. I had an issue. I didn't have the roll pin flush with that hub. So you put your spring-loaded plate on, should clear the roll pin, and it goes on 90 degrees. Line the holes up to the rest of the cutter bar because these are all different. Next, you take your top turtle, set it on, get it halfway close, line your bolts up. Hand start all these bolts so you don't strip them out. 16 millimeter. Tighten those down and that one will be done. Just like that.